The antenna galaxies. What are these antenna galaxies? Do you wanna know? Then watch till end. In 5 billion years, the Andromeda Galaxy and our Milky Way galaxy are going to collide, and after the collision, these two galaxies will form a different structure of galaxy, and this different structure of galaxy will be known as a type of antenna galaxy. This means that the antenna galaxy shows exactly what will happen when two galaxies collide, and this structure form generally in this form, and these types of galaxies known as antenna galaxies. For more videos of space knowledge, subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching.